So we know that a community spirit means different things to different people. And that's why we have approached 7 community organisations to help us understand what community spirit means to their localities and test this framework.
So my idea of a strong sense of community spirit is a place where everybody feels they have a strong sense of belonging. And coming from a small village in Northern Ireland, which is a mixed village of Catholic Protestant, and living side by side each other with a strong cultural identity and still a sense of community spirit and belonging to the one place.
It's about seeing some positive actions from people. So people demonstrating care and concern for others and having pride in the neighbourhood.
We have been funded by the Health Foundation to work across the UK to establish what community spirit means to citizens living across the UK. So we're going to be looking at how we can test and measure characteristics of what might constitute community spirit and what support and infrastructure needs to be provided to ensure that we can sustain good community spirit, which will overall improve health and well-being.
So we've looked at the quality of relationships within a community. We've looked at community spirit from the perspective of community cohesion. We've also looked at an important aspect of community spirit, which is about the ability and motivation of people within a community to come together to take collective action. So that might be through volunteering, through neighbourliness and reciprocity in terms of neighbours helping each other out in very informal ways, or it might be through a more active campaign locally, or through some kind of collective action to change something within the local area. And so we've looked at community spirit from the perspective of these 4 components, and what's going to be really interesting from the point of view of the project is testing how these look differently in different areas across the country.